Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the PaperBoy Paris New Balance 801 collab. Retail is $110. There are 3 different colorways, all food themed as PaperBoy is a restaurant, and this is the ginger lemonade colorway. The upper is made up of mainly synthetic materials, except for a little strip of leather around the toe box. This is an all-terrain shoe, which is why the sole is thick with lots of traction. The insole is pretty neat. They included the recipe for the ginger lemonade drink if you feel like trying it out. Sizing wise, I have narrow feet and these are my true size and they're pretty snug. I'd recommend going up a half size. The collab does come with a huge assortment of apparel, and there's a pop-up right now in New York City where you can buy the entire collection. If you can't make that, they also release on the Greenhouse app this coming Monday, February 10th. Thank you to Victoria over at Greenhouse for sending these my way, and thanks for watching.